on, y'all? It's Missed Out Order here. I'm standing here with Shano and his crew. They out here. You see this? Next up. So, you just got finished tearing down the stage. You was the first performer. A lot of energy. Talk to the people.
You know, I come do what I'm supposed to do, you know. Shout out to Meek, shout out to Exposure Nation, shout out to everybody. Got the APR, MOB team next up with me, you know. We do what we do. I mean, anytime they book me, I'm there.
Every time they book you?
Anytime they book me there.
Alright, you gotta watch the words in Philadelphia now, you know what I'm saying? But what I'm saying, okay, tell the people how they can get in touch with you, how they can get your music, what you got coming next. Let them know, man, because you on live.
They can get at me right now. Get at me on Twitter. Follow me at Shano215 or get at me on Facebook, like Shane-L, you know what I'm saying? BookingShano.com, that's my website. Shano_77@Yahoo is the email. Email me. You know, I got the MOB project coming out. I got No Feelings coming out. I got Brother Love the movie coming out. Laughing at them in stores. And on that Piff, the best of Shano was on that Piff. Get at me on ExposureNation.com, you know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Get at me anywhere.
Do we have any of your videos at ExposureNation.com?
They got a lot of videos, but I got a whole lot.
Well, here's the deal. When you coming to bring us all the new videos? That's what we want to know.
I'm coming in tomorrow morning, so hope that this
coming tomorrow morning.
That light on
he said he coming tomorrow morning to bring us the videos.
We live right now.
We gonna make it happen. All right. Shano, next up. Yo, they tore it down. It's Missed Out Order. Represent ExposureNation.com, MissedOutOrder.com. Let's make it happen.
Mars too. I forgot. Shout out
Mars. S4. Blingy blingy around here. They doing the thingy around here. Holla at us. It's Missed Out Order. We out.